Hey everyone, Miss Gibbs here. Today we are going to make artwork inspired by Mondrian. The first thing that we are going to do after you write your name is make a grid using a ruler and a pencil. I'm using a marker so you can see what I'm doing, and you will be using a pencil. The first thing that you will do is use the ruler to draw lines. The lines will go up and down and across. Some of them will go all the way across and up and down the page. Some of them will only go part of the way, like you see me doing here. The whole point of using the ruler is so that your lines are straight. You will be making squares and rectangles. Some of them will be bigger than the others, but I don't want you to copy exactly what I'm doing. I want you to come up with your own artwork. So keep on using your ruler to make these different squares and rectangles until you have your whole page filled up. And the next thing that we are going to do is color our artwork. But first, I want to talk about craftsmanship. What is craftsmanship? That's a big word, right? So craftsmanship basically means that it is the quality of the work that you're doing. So that will look different ways depending on which medium you're working in. Since we are using crayons to color in the squares and rectangles that we just made, you will see, I'm giving an example here of different levels of quality of coloring in those squares and rectangles. And I want you to decide which one you think looks best. I also want you to pay attention to how long it's taking me to color each shape that I'm drawing here. Is it taking me a lot of time or a little amount of time? So which one do you think looks best? The first one, second one, or third one? That's what I think.